Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much. What about you?
Good. I'm great, thank you. My name's David, and
Nice to meet you.
yeah,
My name is Ifham Ullah.
Ifham Ullah.
Yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. So, what are you looking for today? Just a discussion or a lesson plan?
Yeah, just before some minutes ago, I watched your profile video. You talked about culture. I would like
Yes.
to talk about culture that you are living in Philippines.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, I'm in the Philippines right now, and uh, yeah. Um,
Okay, how do you
so
feel there?
it's good. I find generally the people are fairly friendly, but on the other hand, you know, as is the case whenever you go to different country, sometimes there can be cultural differences and misunderstandings. But overall, I find the people here are friendly, and I think
Yeah,
it's my
friendly.
favorite country I've visited. So yeah,
Are you satisfied from them? You know, how is the food there in the Philippines? And can you tell me some, most popular places there for visiting, especially that people, they visit there?
yes. Um, To be honest with you, the food here is pretty good. It's not like my favorite kind of food of like from different countries around the world, but the food is pretty good. It's I like they have. I can show you some pictures. I'll look them up on Google now. I
Okay,
guess that two kinds of food in the Philippines, Filipino dishes. Sisig is pretty good. This is
yeah,
what it looks like. It's
this one.
I
Wow,
guess pork.
really, it's
Yeah,
looking yummy.
yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
Um, adobo
yeah,
is pretty good.
yeah. Wow, that's
As well.
fine. That's super.
Yeah, this is what
Yeah.
adobo looks
Okay.
like. Yeah,
So yeah, that's fine. That's good. So do you visit with your friends there? Do you have any friends for
yeah,
visiting? Enjoying the time.
yeah. I'm here with a few friends, and yeah, so far we're all enjoying it. I mean, of course, living in any country, there's always pros and cons. But it's nice here. There's nice beaches.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine. Awesome. So when you moved there and why? Basically, are you from USA, from United States, or where do you
Yeah,
from there?
I'm originally from Canada.
From Canada.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I guess what happened, I went on vacation here in the summer of 2019, and then I taught in China from September until January. Um,
Mm-hmm.
but then in January, I went for a few weeks on vacation in the Philippines. But
Okay.
um,
Okay.
but I guess being in I guess what happened is I couldn't go back to China, so I had to teach online in the Philippines to my
Yeah.
Chinese students, and just stayed
Yeah,
here ever
that's a great,
since.
a great decision because you can teach well. You are understandable. I can understand you because you are a native speaker. So I communicated. This is my approximately 10 or 12 experience here on a Cambly, but you are.
Well,
I appreciate you.
oh, thank you. Yeah, I appreciate you too. Thank you for all your questions.
Yeah. So I would like to ask you about the people. I know about the Philippines. They are a little ugly.
Yeah.
Hideous. Yeah. So yeah, really, they're friendly, but especially they are little hideous, and there's some ignorant people there. Am I right?
Yeah, I mean, I guess there's ignorant people everywhere, but maybe you've known more ignorant people from here. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, that's good. So, yeah, where do you live in Philippines?
I live in Manila. It's the capital city.
Manila, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
Manila, it is very famous. Yeah, there are so many